Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You know, I actually messed with some stovetop turkey stuffing. I'm just saying.
Stuffing.
It's not bad.
Yeah. We're going to put in our chicken
dressing, not stuffing,
so
dressing.
About half, so that it gets really fluffy when it cooks, but it doesn't get soupy. So we'll use a cup and a half, about half of a box.
Okay. I don't know where they're getting at, but I'm willing to see.
Mashed potatoes. Yum.
Okay.
Just give it a nice generous sprinkle, just like that.
That will like can turn into mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, y'all are losing me, but okay.
Wow, look at that. Because mashed potatoes doesn't work without butter.
Yeah.
So we have some thick sliced butter here.
Right.
Place it right on top.
Yeah, that's quite a bit of butter actually.
Nice, so that when they melt, they kind of really help get those potatoes cooking.
Yeah, but that's a lot of butter.
Just like that. Great. Snuggle those in.
Okay.
Use like one stick, right?
One whole stick, and I use unsalted. I'm going to add just a little bit more of that broth right on top.
Okay.
Yeah, get those mashed potatoes cooking.
I just don't know where it's going, but
Shredded
already.
Chicken. You can use turkey. You can use pork if you want. I'm going to use our pre-cooked shredded chicken.
Yeah. I think I would use turkey for this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's turkey stuffing, so why not use shredded turkey?
A roasted turkey gravy, but there's chicken gravy.
Okay, gravy.
And all kinds of gravy. So you choose gravy.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Use the whole jar.
The whole jar, yeah. Now we're going to add a little bit of our seasoning. We're going to use some oregano.
Okay.
Just a little sprinkle right on there.
Right.
I won't even say anything about any other seasonings because
You really know how to season
the
it.
stovetop has a lot of seasoning in there,
It's good for our
so you don't want
hearts and
to
our
go
blood.
too crazy with
Make sure
any
we
other
get our healthies
seasonings with
in.
this one.
Is garlic powder made with
And
real
then they
garlic?
had the
Sure is.
I had no idea.
And of course a little bit
then
of...
they added the chicken stock, so you don't want to add too much seasoning on here.
Perfect, just like that. It's not
Okay.
Thanksgiving without our cranberry sauce.
See, no, that's it. I'm officially out because I can't go no.
Like
Nope.
you have the whole berries in there.
Nope.
Any type of jelly.
I can't take no more of this.
Oh wow, this looks really good.
Yes, get those flavors in there. It's like Thanksgiving in a pan. One pan Thanksgiving.
You know they
The grands.
and biscuit.
These are just the buttermilk kind.
You have potato, you have dressing, potato,
Placing them right on top.
and now you're adding
This really
biscuit.
is a Thanksgiving dish.
It's not a
Really,
Thanksgiving
got
dish.
everything you need.
It's
You've got
some
turkey,
nonsense that y'all just cooked up.
You've got your biscuits,
Yum yum
your
yum.
stuffing, mashed potatoes.
No pun intended.
everything. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's look at our layers.
I'm not gonna lie, that looks like crap, but
Oh,
okay.
the stuffing on the bottom.
This is gonna be so good, just
So
like
good.
grandma made.
Just like grandma, definitely. Okay, so our oven is set.
And the biscuit is so thick on top
So
too.
quick.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Where they get these crazy people from?
Cooked they are.
Papa,
Oh my
who this
gosh.
woman?
Okay, let's dig into this Thanksgiving feast here.
Yes.
Wow, look at the mashed potatoes. Oh my gosh, this is great.
Ooh.
Y'all about to mess around and poison yourselves.
Oh yeah.
Look at all.
Oh yum. Oh, the mashed potatoes and the stuffing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the mash.
Okay.
Yeah, it came out perfect.
Oh my gosh, it really did.
I can't even really see the
Oh,
mashed
look at that. Turkey
potato.
right there.
I love
Perfect.
turkey.
It's not.
Okay. Oof.
I thought it was chicken.
A little bit of
Nah,
cranberry
see,
mash.
there's too much going on with this
Put it right on
meal.
top of that biscuit. It's like this. I'm gonna take a bite. Ooh, grab that turkey right there. Oh, okay.
It's not turkey. I thought you said it was chicken. You realize they didn't show us when they bit into it? That gotta be a reason. You know, there's something wrong with these people, I swear. There was just too much going on with that meal. And of course, it's everything that people eat during Thanksgiving, but it's just like throwing it all together like that. Nah. Hope y'all like this one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread